Hey friends, we're here in an Apple Numbers tutorial spreadsheet, so I can show you another little trick that I use to sort and delete duplicates here in my data. Now this is a very, very simple spreadsheet, but I'm going to show you how, again, this is one way of doing this. The thing that doesn't exist is a very clear and easy way, one button kind of click to sort and then delete potential items that have been duplicated. Like as you can see, I have Jenny on here twice. And so again, there's a way around this. And the way to do that is to actually sort your data by specific names or your specific columns. And then once everything is sorted, you can see it all lined up next to each other. Now again, this may mess up some spreadsheets, but for something simple like this, it's really easy for us to do. Okay, so what we can do is we can actually come over here. We're going to click on this little hamburger kind of pie thing here, and that is going to bring up a couple of different options: categories, sort, and filter. Let's click on sort, and then basically we can select the rows or we can sort the entire table. For me, I'm actually just going to click over here on this column, and then we're going to sort by name. Again, it's recognized that I have a header, so we're going to sort by name. And then what I want to do is I want to do sorting 1, 2, 3. This actually also will allow it to go in ABC order. So let's go ahead and click the Sort Now button. And as you can see, everything was rearranged. Now again, I had an average and a total on here, so that could have messed things up. But as you can see, the duplicates, Jenny in this case, are now put together. I can see things easily. I can decide if it's a duplicate, the line that I want to delete. I can click this over here on the specific row, and I can then double click and delete row if needed. So again, that's just a way of sorting things, a way to delete duplicates. It's not perfect, but it may help in some situations. Friends, hopefully this video has given you a little idea of a trick or a tip that you can use. If it has, hit that subscribe button. We make a ton of these little Apple Numbers tutorial videos, so we will see you again on the next one.